30 women were examined in a hospital by a doctor and the number of heartbeats per minute were recorded and summarized as follows. Find the mean heartbeats per minute for these women choosing a suitable method. Here number of heartbeats per minute is given. Number of women who got heartbeats in this range are given. The mean heartbeat per minute for these women. We have to find which method has to be chosen. So for this we have to check the intervals. First let us see whether the interval is continuous or not. Continuous means the interval which starts from a number that should be the upper limit of the previous interval. See here the lower limit is 65, upper limit is 68. This upper limit should be the lower limit of the next interval. Here it is there. Here ends in 71, next interval starts with 71. Here ends with 74, the next interval starts with 74. In that way it is there. So the interval is continuous. Okay. Next one, we have to find the class size. That is the difference between the class. 68 minus 65 is 3, 71 minus 68 is 3. In all these intervals, the size is 3. That is the difference between the intervals is 3. That is upper limit minus lower limit is 3. That one, that is height is 3. If the class size is different in each intervals, we have to move to the third method, that is step deviation method. Okay, this is not the conclusion. To confirm with DI. Now let us see. Number of heartbeats per minute is given in intervals. Number of women, that is Fi. These two are given in the question. Whatever be the method, we have to find the sum of frequency, that is sigma Fi we found here. Okay, here the number of heartbeats are in intervals, so we have to find the class mark. Class mark is upper limit plus lower limit by 2. That is 68 plus 65 by 2. So we found here 71 plus 68 by 2. We found here. In that way we found Xi. Now you have to watch Xi. Xi is 65.5, 72.5, 78.5, 75.5. It is very larger. To multiply with the Xi, it is harder. So we have to move to the second method. That is finding Di. Okay, Di, what is Di? Xi minus A. What is A? Ai is assumed mean. How to calculate that assumed mean? From Xi, we have to choose a number. How to choose that number? See the number of intervals. Here the number of rows are odd. So we can choose the middlemost interval, 74 to 77. So the corresponding Xi is the assumed mean. So 75.5 is the assumed mean. That is A. So Di equal to Xi minus A. 66.5 minus 75.5 is minus 9. 69.5 minus 75.5 is minus 6. 75.5 minus 75 is 0. In that way we have calculated Di. Next we have to go with Ui. See, this is minus 9, minus 6, minus 3, 3, 6, 9. All these numbers have common divisor. These numbers are divisible by 3. So we can move to the next method, that is calculating Ui. You can stop with Di because the Fi and Di are smaller only. If you wish, you can stop with Di and multiply Fi and Di and proceed this problem with second method, that is assumed mean method. Here we have the common divisor, so we can simplify Di further. So I moved to the third method, step deviation method. Here the common divisor for Di is 3. All these numbers are divisible by 3. So I have chosen the third method, calculating Ui. Ui equal to Xi minus A by H. That is class size is 3. 68 minus 65 is 3. 75 minus 68 is 3. In all the intervals, the class size is 3. And the common divisor for Di also 3. So our H is 3. Xi minus 75.5 divided by 3, that is Di by 3. Minus 9 by 3 is 3. This value divided by 3. So minus 9 by 3 is minus 3. Minus 6 by 3 is minus 2. In the same way, we have to calculate Ui. And finally, Fi ui. 2 minus 3 is minus 6. 4 minus 2 is minus 8. In that way, we have to calculate fi ui. We need the sum of fi ui. So, we have added all those fi ui and found sigma fi ui equal to 4. According to the third method, that is step deviation method, mean x bar equal to a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. We have to substitute all the values. A is 75.5, sigma fi ui is 4, sigma fi is 30, h is 3. We have substituted all the values and found the answer. The mean heartbeat per minute is asked. Find the mean heartbeat per minute for those women choosing a suitable method. Now we found that it is 75.9. Hope you understand. Thank you.